Raya shopping at Jalan Tuanku Rahman. Got my haircut done. Right in front of the entrance of Jaya Shopping Center, I fell. And it happened in a split second. This happened like just like that. This is gonna be my Baju Melayu. Hey guys, welcome to Best Kuala Lumpur, where I post videos on what to eat, do and see in KL. So we're just 1 week away from Hari Raya. For my Malaysian viewers as well as viewers from around the region, you guys know what Hari Raya is, but just in case I have international viewers, Cik Perasan, I'm going to share with you what Hari Raya, or better known as Eid, in the description box below, because I don't think I'm an expert to explain the significance of Eid. So I'll share with you bits and pieces from my family and my preparation for Hari Raya. I can't be showing you all like cleaning the house and cleaning the toilet and stuff. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, which is recorded over a period of few days. First up is Raya shopping at Jalan Tuanku Rahman, or better known as Jalan Town. I don't know if you can tell, but it is raining right now, but that's not gonna stop us. Okay, done shopping at Jalan Ta. So now I'm heading to KLCC, so let's go. So I'm in KLCC right now. I'm just gonna get a few stuff and I'm gonna book a puasa right here. But for the benefits of my viewers not from Kuala Lumpur, let me show you the Hari Raya decor at KLCC. So I'm at KLCC food court right now, waiting for buka puasa time, and this is one of my favorite food court because there are a lot of food that I enjoy. And for tonight, I'm having these kairos kebab. I wanted to have rice, but tapi nasi dah habis, and then I ordered French fries. It has been a long day, guys. See you in the next update. Another day, another update, and a few more days closer to Hari Raya. Time for a much needed haircut, so let's go to my favorite barber, which is Hook, and my appointment is at 12. So let's go. In Melawati Mall right now. They're calling me. Hello? Yes, that's right. Clement. Okay, I'm coming up right now actually. Alright, see you. got my haircut done. So I had this style a year ago and I decided that it's time to make a comeback. So if you can see, I asked them to shave like this. Something different for Hari Raya. And I'm a regular cook for the past year now. I'm just really happy with the service. They're located not just in Melawati Mall but also in Wangsa Mall, in Wangsa Maju, and they also have one outlet in Pavilion and Fahrenheit 88. And my favorite barber, which is the guy who did my hair just now, was Clement. And I'm just really happy with his service. So if you want to book him, you have to come to Melawati Mall and then ask for Clement. Okay, now off to the next errand. We are at Ikea Damansara for today because my mom and I wanted to buy some stuff for the house, and it seems that only Raya time that we need to organize the house. Someone's watching. But before we shop around, I wanted to tell you guys something which happened earlier today. Okay, let me find a nice showroom for you guys before I share my story. I think this is a nice corner for me to share my story. Welcome to my room. Okay, so here's what happened just now. I was at Jaya Shopping Center and I wanted to go to Digital Mall at Petaling Jaya. So it was raining, so I saw a guy who slipped in front of the Jaya Shopping Center entrance, and I was like, oh my god, so kasihan, but someone else was there to help him, so I didn't help him out. So I just went to the Digital Mall to buy some stuff, a brand new vlogging camera and accessories, and I was really happy. Then I went back, it wasn't raining anymore, so I just went there and walked. Right in front of the entrance of Jaya Shopping Center, I fell, and it happened in a split second. This happened like just like that. So usually if I step on a slippery floor, I would balance myself again. I immediately fell. My camera bag was on the floor, and there was just this one guy who actually asked me, bro, are you okay? And he helped me out, but I was in pain, like in the total pain, especially in the back area, in my butt, you know. So as I'm walking around Ikea, it still hurts, but I don't know if it's gonna hurt even more like in the hours to come. So hopefully I'm gonna be fine. Even though my butt hurts, nothing's gonna stop me from doing my Raya shopping and even celebrating Hari Raya. So that's my story. Okay, so now let's continue shopping at Ikea. We're gonna find the shoe rack, and it's located at rack 6, section 13.
Is that the place?
Huh? Tak ya, pegang je. We went to the wrong rack. Rack 6, not 3. So now we're finally in rack 6. We wanted to get this, but we just realized that it's so heavy we couldn't take it in my car. So I don't think we're buying this today. Kita cari yang lain. Oh, beli yang tu, 2. 159 tu.
Baik, beli tu kali nanti lah tu. Tunggulah itu tu.
Okay, we're not buying it. So my mom and I were like total opposites. I'm more like yang tak sabar, I want it now, but she was like, let's just wait after Raya and get it. And I was like looking for alternatives, but she was like, no, let's save money and buy what we wanted after Raya. So I guess that's what we're doing right now, which is to wait for Raya. So now let's check out the Raya decor at the curve. We initially wanted to book a puasa here. We decided to book a puasa at KLCC. It's 6 o'clock right now. It's a Monday. It's gonna be heavy traffic, but hopefully we'll arrive at KLCC just in time for buka puasa. So kena sabar. I took the wrong turn just now and we entered some residential area which I wasn't familiar with at all. But now I can see KLCC. That's Ampang Park, guys. They're gonna demolish it soon. It's not a good idea to drive at the city centre at this hour because everybody's rushing to get home for buka puasa. And some drivers, just some, not all, are like mean drivers. They won't give you way at all. So it was really scary just now at the junction, you know. They were honking and they wouldn't give way. Malaysian drivers. Okay, finally at KLCC, and this is my first time at this parking entry. It's almost 7 o'clock, so let's go to the food court and find a spot for buka puasa. Unfortunately, the food court is full, so we just bought some bread and water. So we're gonna have our buka puasa at the park. So I had my proper meal at Little Pinang Cafe. I had nasi lemak, of course. And I think that's it for tonight. I'll see you in the next update. Which will be my last update for this vlog. Okay, welcome to the final part of this vlog. You might see me buy this Tuanku earlier, but what you didn't see is that I bought a lot of stuff for the Raya preparation way before I decided to do this vlog. And of course I didn't capture that in the vlog. What is Hari Raya without baju Melayu? So this is my baju Melayu. This is the color that I've chosen. For my family, we don't have a specific theme. I know some family do that. So I decided that this is a nice color and this is gonna be my baju Melayu. Plus I have baju Melayu in other colors as well, so I don't have that one yet. So besides the baju Melayu, I bought shoes, another pair of shoes, and another pair of shoes. So I bought 3 pairs of shoes, guys. One shoes was to match the baju Melayu, but then I decided that I don't want the same color of shoes, so I decided to buy a different shoes of a different tone, a different color. Yeah, not that I know fashion, but yeah, I don't want to look all blue. But who knows what will I do on that day, right? And I also bought butang baju Melayu from Fashion Ballet. I love Fashion Ballet. I love Vivi Yusof. I'm such a huge fan of Vivi Yusof. I bought Calvin Klein cologne. I need to smell good on Hari Raya, and I need a new cologne. What do you call this? Contact lens on Hari Raya Day itself. This is I've been a regular user of the One Day AccuView, but this is the first time I'm using the AccuView, what is it called? Define, which is a colored contact lens. I don't think if it's colored, but it's just it'll make your thing darker. And it's a one-day contact lens, so I have like 15 pairs or 30 contact lenses right inside. I bought a kurta a few, not for Hari Raya, but for a wedding as well as for an event. So I'm just gonna recycle that. Don't tell anyone that I recycle my clothes. But I just wore it once, so I'm just gonna wear it again for Hari Raya. My friend gave me a batik shirt from Uniqlo as well. This is a birthday present. And I love the color as well, so she knows my favorite color. Let me just open the box. Ta-da! Yeah, she gave me this thing, so I'm gonna wear it on the 2nd or 3rd day of Hari Raya. And I could match it with my blue shoes, or light blue shoes. It's not really blue, it's light blue. Oh yeah, and I bought a few pair of jeans at Uniqlo. I bought a few pairs because there was a discount, and because of the recent announcement of the 0 GST, so Uniqlo deduct 6% from that. So I thought that was a good bargain, so I bought a few pairs. And one more thing, I bought something else. And I bought a new camera. It's the EOS M50, but I'll do the unboxing or a review of it some other time. But I'm still using my Canon G7X, and I love the G7X, but it was time for an upgrade. So yeah, this is my preparation for Hari Raya in Kuala Lumpur. I don't have a kampung to go to, so I've been rayaing in KL for most of my life. So the preparation is not your typical preparation of Hari Raya. You might be wondering about the cooking or the food. So I'm uploading this video tomorrow, June 13th, and usually my mom cooks the day before Hari Raya, so that's June 14th. So I might include that part in the next vlog because I'm gonna do a separate vlog for Hari Raya day itself, but I'm gonna upload it much later. So yeah, what happens is that we would go to the mosque in the morning for Raya. So my mom and I and my brother and his small family, we will all go to Klang and Shah Alam to visit our relatives, and we're gonna spend the whole day there, and then at night we would just come back exhausted. So yeah, that's how my Raya gonna be like. I'm gonna share that in the next vlog. In the meantime, since I'm uploading this video on Wednesday, Selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir batin. Have a great one with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next vlog, which I will upload much later than Hari Raya. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I post videos on what to eat, do and see in Kuala Lumpur. So don't forget to visit my previous vlogs right here. And as always, I'll see you in the next vlog. Selamat Hari Raya.